In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook account to Gmail. This can really simplify your email management by allowing you to access all your messages from different accounts in one convenient location. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Gmail settings. Simply open up your Gmail account on your computer. In the upper right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open the Settings menu, and then choose See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Here, you'll see various options related to managing your email accounts. The goal here is to add your Outlook account to Gmail, so look for the section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your Outlook email address. Go ahead and type in your address, then click Next. On the next screen, you'll want to select the option that says Link Accounts with Gmailify. This option essentially allows Gmail to organize all of your emails for you, and it's a fantastic feature that makes accessing various mail accounts much easier. So, after selecting Link Accounts with Gmailify, click Next. Now, you'll be guided through a few setup steps. Gmail will retrieve the necessary settings for your Outlook account, but you'll need to enter your Outlook password to grant Gmail access. Be sure to carefully type in your password and check the option that allows Gmail to remember it for future access. After you've provided the necessary permissions, the setup process will automatically verify the connection. You should see a confirmation message once everything is set up correctly. This means your Outlook and Gmail accounts are now linked, and you'll find all your Outlook emails right in your Gmail inbox. A handy tip is that you can now send emails from your Outlook address directly through Gmail. To set this up, go back to the Accounts and Import tab where you first added the account. Under Send Mail As, you'll find the option to add another email address. Enter your Outlook email, but make sure the Treat as an Alias box is checked, then follow the steps to confirm the account. And there you have it. Your Outlook emails will now appear in your Gmail inbox, nicely organized, ready for you to read, respond, and manage. This integration significantly streamlines your workflow instead of having to switch between multiple platforms just to check your mail. And that's it for today's guide. Remember, keeping everything organized is key, and linking your email accounts can make this process so much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.